What's going on, everybody? I'm Brandon from Walker's Woodworks. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I put out a video. I apologize for that. Just haven't been doing any woodworking like at all. I actually sold a lot of my tools. Pretty weird, never thought I would do that. Let me flip you around and I'll kind of explain what's going on now. So as you can see, everything's kind of disconnected and just stuff everywhere. There's a bear. I don't know if you guys knew about that. And a bobcat. I got all my clamps. The Love's still in here. Haven't done much on that either. Just kind of want to do a channel update for you guys. There's stuff. I'm in the middle of just moving everything. Got into fitness a little more, working out a few times a week, so I need a room for that. And I'm not really planning on doing any like heavy actual woodworking anymore. I know that's very strange to say, but it just kind of is what it is. However, I am going to still make some videos, I think. I wasn't really planning on it, but I feel like it would just be a horrible thing to grow this channel as much as I have and a letdown to you guys who are used to me uploading videos to not make any more videos. So I think I've decided that I'm going to continue to upload videos once in a while. Maybe more often now that I've kind of made the decision, but they're not going to be like traditional woodworking videos. They're going to be more, I know, DIY, hate to say it, more DIY friendly stuff because I'm actually selling the saw stop. The guy's supposed to come get it this weekend. I do plan to get another table saw, but I want a little more room in here. So I think I'm going to get the contractor one that you can like fold up and put away because I'm not going to use it very much. So I want to do that and just kind of clean the space up as well. So I'm going to rearrange some stuff for sure. And just kind of like I said, go more into more user-friendly type projects that are quick and easy, practical, things like that. And also probably do some woodworking tip videos for people that still want that kind of content because I have not a lot of knowledge. I've been doing it for 7-8 years, so why not share that? But I just wanted to jump on here and make a quick video for you guys, kind of explaining why I haven't been uploading any videos and kind of more of the future of where I'm going to go now. I know I got on here before and said, oh, I'm going to upload more videos and this and that, but my reselling business has just been taking like, all my time, 8-10 hours a day, 5 to 7 days a week. So growing that, I just don't have a lot of time, but I do want to fill my extra time with content for you guys. So if you guys want that kind of stuff, let me know in the comments down below. I'm probably gonna do some more raw type videos like these here rather than super edited stuff like I was doing. I just feel like they're actually kind of like those kind of videos better. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Any simple projects. I got one that I'm going to make a video on here pretty quick, like three kind of easier projects. So we'll see how it goes. Guess I can give you a little shop update tour while we're doing this. Might as well let you know what I got rid of, what I still have, and what I plan to do in the future. Let me flip you around. So, as you know, if you've been watching the channel, this was here. I was gonna build a miter saw station, not doing that. The dust collector was, you can still see where it was. That's down. There was the bandsaw there, sold that. There was a joiner there, sold that. The drill press was where this bear is. It's over there now. I'll tell you the story on the bear. So my girlfriend's grandma, who's right there, shot this back in 1996. And it was the California state record. For a while, 690 pounds. Pretty crazy. So this was in Montana at their family's ranch. And unfortunately they moved and all the mounts had to go somewhere. So we decided to take this one and the bobcat, which was shot in Montana by her uncle, I believe. I don't remember. Anyway, back to woodworking. I do still have my planer. I sold my domino, which was in here. I still have all my routers and most of my hand tools, track saw, all my drills and things. I sold one of my America sanders, but I have the other. All my Ryobi stuff still here. Let's see what else. I think that's I think that's pretty much it. Kept all my clamps. Knew I was going to use those. Like I said, track saw. Still have all that. There's the sander. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is fun. This is what I'm doing with this. Just what a mess. Someday it'll run and be on the road. Not today. So anyway, I know this is kind of a weird video that I've never really done. Like I said, super raw. Probably not going to edit it very much. Just chop it up enough to make sense for you guys. I just want to jump on here and tell you guys what was going on. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, so that's what's happening. I hope you guys stick around. I hope you guys enjoy the content that's coming, and I will try to upload as much as I can with the time I have. So hope everybody's doing well. I appreciate all the support over the years and the support that will continue to come, hopefully. See you guys when I get a video up, and have a good one.